Hi everyone, Sally here. Well, as you can see, this is a bit of a different video and I'm shaking all over the place. I am going to get myself a gimbal, I promise. But I'm out for a walk because I've been told I need to get some exercise to help ease the pain and build my muscles up. I'm trying to give you a bit of a look at where I am. It's absolutely stunning, but I've got the maps on. And every time she says something, I jump out my skin. I'm going to put a clip of the waterfall I've just been to. Excuse me. The cold makes your nose run, doesn't it? Anyway, I've been to the waterfall and I've found a nice little babbling brook as well. So watch this space, it's coming up next. And I'm going to stop and start walking again now. And I promise I'll get a gimbal.